Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, how are you today for the first lockdown?
Fine, Miss.
Okay, good. Before we start, I want Windargi lead the pray. Can you lead Windargi?
Mari kawan-kawan, sebelum memulai kegiatan belajar pada sore hari ini, alangkah baiknya berdoa menurut agama dan kepercayaan masing-masing. Let's to pray. Doa selesai.
Today, before we start, I want you prepare your book and check your connection.
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Have you read a text about a person's story's life?
Pernah, Miss.
Yeah. What we call that? Apa namanya?
Biografi.
Okay, biography. That's why today we're gonna learn about biography. I want to share my PowerPoint. Okay, before we start, I have two questions, guessing game as usual. Who wants to read? Or I read?
David father has three sons, Snap, Crackle, and
Yeah. So who else?
David.
Yeah. It's kind of easy because David's father. So it means the other one is David. And then next, what has a neck but no head?
Battle.
Battle, yeah. Now, okay, back to the lesson about biography. I give you 2 minutes to read and we discuss what information that can we get from the text. Okay. Now, Bunga, do you know what is it?
Dewi Sartika for first time dia membangun pertama kali sekolah untuk wanita.
Okay, for Dewi Sartika that established the first woman school, right?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. What information that you get from the first paragraph? Windarki?
Orientation, Miss.
Ya, pembukaan orientation. Isinya tentang apa? What is it about?
Tentang awal mula Dewi Sartika menempuh pendidikan, terus
Ya,
dia mulai berpindah
ya,
dari
oke.
Cicalengka ke Bandung.
Okay. For the last paragraph, Bunga, what information that you get?
Change is name school. Itu perubahan sekolah yang ia bangun, Miss.
Okay, good. So it means wants to read for the definition. Aurel, can you read?
Biography is a detailed description or account of a person's life.
Yes. So can you explain by your own words?
Mendeskripsikan kehidupan seseorang gitu, Miss.
Yeah. From date of the born, dari lahirnya, tanggal lahir, dari lahirnya dia, until when he was die, and about their achievement and also their career. Now we go to here. The structure of the biography. Of course, Windargi say the first part is introduction. So I know it's part of the introduction or the orientation, but what is in the introduction?
Pengenalan, Miss.
Pengenalan.
Terus kapan dia lahir.
The reason of the writer, choose the person. Kenapa penulisnya itu pilih orang tersebut? Alasannya ya, itu biasa ditaruh di introduction. About the reason of the writer take the person. And then what else? About early years. Tahun-tahun pertama dia lahir, right? About their first school, sekolah pertamanya. And then the second one about series of events. The second part, series of events. What information the writer put in the series of events?
Lagi kehidupan dia, Miss.
Yeah, about their life. What else? Bunga?
Yang bagaimana dia mendapatkan penghargaan atau karirnya dia, menceritakan karir.
About their career improvement, right? About the reward, about the achievement that they get. And the closing. What you put in the close paragraph for biography?
Akhir hidup si pemeran utama itu.
Ya, the end of the life ya.
Atau komen dari penulis.
Yeah, sometimes also about the retire. Sometimes the writer put in the closing paragraph. Okay, I have some video.
Hi students, now we're going to take your research and we're going to turn it into a biography. A good biography includes a little about their early life, focuses mostly on important contributions, and ends with what they'll be remembered for. Start by organizing your research into early life, important events, and what they'll be remembered for. In your introduction, tell us who your biography is about, when and where they were born, and any interesting facts about their childhood, school years, or young adulthood. Tell us if they had any training, schooling, or life experiences that helped shape who they would become in later life. In the body of your biography, or the main part, write paragraphs that address the important contributions your subject made to society. Be sure to answer your research questions in complete sentences. Don't forget your in-text citations. In your conclusion, tell us when and where your subject died, or if they are still alive. Tell us the most important things for which they will be remembered. It is really important to cite the sources you used in your research. Be sure to include a works cited page or a bibliography to tell your readers where you got the information included in your biography.
Okay, Aurel, what information after you read video? Or Bunga?
Tadi seperti kayak urutan dari biografi kayak early life, conclusion, terus seterusnya, Miss.
Yeah, the video tell us about how to write a biography. For the first paragraph, we put about early life, right? And the second paragraph about Bunga?
Important.
Yeah, important contribution. Like about their career, their achievement. Now we put in here. And the last one?
Conclusion.
Yes, conclusion. Okay, what information that we put in conclusion about time of
Over.
no, time of the death, yeah, or time of they retire. Okay, this is about timeline. What is timeline? Timeline is kind of the list of time that event of the person's life. Example, the event in the life of Benjamin Franklin. So by the timeline, we can conclude easily what time, like, he died, he was born, he moves, he first career, he get the achievement. So we can use timeline. Now we go to LKPD. Actually, it's the first LKPD. Do you know what can we do here? Nah, after you read about this text about Dewi Sartika, you put the information in this table, like why is the person important, and then the birth information, important event, of course the first name of person, and the personal facts. Do you know about facts, yeah? What is facts? Windarti, ya, Bunga, what is facts?
Fakta, Miss.
Fakta.
Fakta. Quote, Aurel. What is quote?
Pertanyaan, Miss.
Quote, questions. Quote. Like moto.
Itu apa namanya?
Apa?
Kayak moto gitu.
Ya, okay, good job. What were his or her accomplishment? What is Bunga? What were his or her accomplishment?
Pencapaian bukan, Miss?
Yeah, can pencapaian about their career, their reward. You can put here. Okay. The second LKPD is this one. You read first the text about Will Smith, and then you complete the timeline table. Can you understand what I mean?
Ada di situ.
Okay, good job, Bunga. Okay, this is one of Bunga Aisyah worksheet. You can see here. Why is the person important? Because Dewi Sartika was the first established a school for women and she recognized as a national hero. And this you can see her accomplishment and about her facts too. Okay, very good ya Bunga ya. Now we're gonna see about another one. Will Smith ya Bunga. Okay, very good. Okay, the last LKPD is group work. As usual, I already list you in the group, and then you can check your name by WhatsApp group. Okay, and find your group team. What will we do in here? First, who wants to read? Aurel?
Listen the audio.
Okay.
Terus make a note. Gak kelihatan ya. Rewrite by your own word into the draft below.
Okay, this is the clue. An introductory paragraph. You know, introductory paragraph. And then write to body paragraph. So two body paragraph. Body paragraph consists of two, and with a concluding paragraph. Closing paragraphnya, and use verb and time expression. Okay. Now we back to the YouTube because I want share the audio.
Walter Elias Disney was born in Chicago, Illinois in 1901. His family moved to the state of Missouri. He grew up on a farm there. At the age of 16, Disney began to study art in Chicago. 4 years later, he joined the Kansas City Film Ad Company. He helped make cartoon advertising to make animated movies. In them, drawings are made to move in a lifelike way. We call them cartoons. Disney the artist wanted to bring his pictures to life.
Disney
Real mouse. For one thing, it stood on 2 legs like a human. It had big eyes and ears. And it wore white gloves on its hands. The artist called him Mickey. The film was produced in 1966.
But the company he began continues to help people escape the problems of life through its movies and entertainment parks.
Okay, because the time is limited, so I don't play all the audio. But can you get information from the video? Hello? Can you get information from the video? What is it about, Aurel? Or Bunga? Halo? Bunga? Aurel? Windargi?
Kayak apa biografi Walt Disney bukan, Miss?
Ya,
Mandiri
Walt
Disney.
Disney. Oke, and then
Rewards-nya bukan Miss dari tahun ke tahun gitu.
yes, okay, good. About Walt Disney. Do you know what cartoon the first he make?
Mickey
What is
Mouse.
it? Okay, good. Mickey Mouse. Okay. Okay, maybe because this is group work, I already sent the link. You can play the audio twice. I want to ask you what we learned today. Bunga, Aurel, Afril, Aska?
About biography, Miss.
Okay, biography. What part in biography? How many part? The first paragraph, we call that?
Orientation.
Or orientation.
Okay, orientation. The second one? About what?
A series of events.
Yes, series of event or contribution part. And then the last one?
Closing.
Closing or conclusion, ya. Okay, good job. Okay, I think that's all about the lesson today. Any question? Okay, do you understand about the lesson today?
Understand, Miss.
Oke, thank you Aurel. Oke, bye teman-teman, makasih ya.